This is the Big Green Egg headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia on Technology Parkway. If you are in Atlanta, it is just about 15-20 minutes right outside of the city, and you've got to visit this place. It has a full retail store where they sell a lot of cool stuff that I've actually never seen anywhere else. It's not really obvious how to get into this place. You know, it's got the driveway and everything, but the retail store entrance is right up here in the corner. Also in here, they've got a huge kitchen area where they host corporate events and cooking classes and just all kinds of cool stuff. So let's go in, check it out. I'll show you all around. And there's also a little museum to check out. So right here up on the deck is, where you get in. They've got some green eggs just kind of randomly placed here and there. It looks like they might have been doing something out here, some kind of outdoor showroom, I guess. It's pretty cold right now. Actually, it's winter time here, so not a lot going on. And right down there is the doors to their kitchen area. This is the entrance to the retail store, and it's not really all that big, typical, shelf racking, center displays, but I'll take a walk here down this wall, and if you, I'm probably going too fast, but if you just stop the video, if you see something that looks interesting to you, they have one of everything, at least one of everything in this place. It is really impressive. They've got their larger eggs on display out here in the middle. Right up here is the checkout counter, where I will give you a tip. They give away free stuff. And then, of course, they've got their XXL there in the front. Anyway, this is that first wall. And as you walk down the front wall of the store here, it's just nothing but green egg products. Really, really impressive. I'll give you a minute just to take it in. Down here, you'll see on these grills this little LED light. This thing is actually pretty cool. It's super bright. It's magnetic. I've never seen it anywhere else. It might make its way out into stores, but this is the first time I've seen it. And over here in the corner, this is the only official Green Egg clothing store. So I asked, what's unique to this particular location here in their corporate office, and I was told clothing. Here we are in the back, looking towards the front. They've got street signs, and here's a little video that just plays on a continuous loop. Coffee area here. It's really pretty nice. One more view here. I'm standing right about where the bathroom entrance is. Actually, right across from that. So this is the front wall facing the street. Obviously, it's Christmas time. Here's that XXL egg. It's just massive. And then in the front corner here, we're about to go into the museum right here behind me. So this is really little. It's just one room. They've got all their various eggs positioned here behind a barrier. And from, I think, left to right here, you can just go through and they just tell the story of how he found the eggs in China, I think, and then the evolution of their designs, colors, and then finally the final product. It's interesting if you're into these types of grills and you're a brand fan. It's definitely worth checking out. I mean, I found it interesting. A few photos, little history story. And then they do have a video playing here that tells you why it's called an egg, why it's green. I won't spoil it, but if you stand here and you watch this video for, I don't know, it's like 5 minutes maybe. It is worth your time. It is pretty interesting.
I could have gotten black, could have gotten red, could have gotten pastel, even polka dots, whatever I wanted. So I studied the colors and I found that green was the most suitable. I liked green. It stood for a lot of good things. Even back in the 80s when environmental interests were not quite as strong as they are today, but green sounded good. One day, a salesman came. We run weekly ads in the Atlanta Journal.
Back here in the corner of the store, there's this big barn sliding door, and this is their event area. It's basically a banquet hall, kitchen area, gigantic kitchen area.
Oh, wow.
And then right out here on the patio, there's a bunch of grills. So you could rent this space out and with one of their instructors put together a meal as a group, and then get your egg lit. Depending on the size of your group, you'd either have your own grill or maybe share it with somebody, and you'd cook whatever it is that you created. They'd teach you how to reverse sear or really anything you want, and then you would enjoy your meal with your team in this in the back part of this area where they've got tables set up. So it's a really great space. There's a big movie screen back there for videos or whatever. It's a great space to host a company event or even a family event. I would be totally into doing this. This is the checkout counter where they've got all kinds of little cups and gifts and just little weird things for the egg enthusiast. I started talking to the clerk and was asking some questions about my big green egg. It's never really closed properly, and he sold me a new hinge that had been redesigned, and he also sold me some nuts and a new bracket, a new handle. And I thought that was really cool. You know, they have parts here that you can just buy right behind the counter. In fact, this whole area here behind the counter is parts. And these bins are free stickers and little bottle cap openers, and there was no price on it. And when I asked, hey, how much is this? All of that was free, along with that magazine I was flipping through earlier. That was free also. But anyway, this was a really cool experience. If you're in the Atlanta area, it's a good use of your time. It was a lot of fun. So thanks for watching this video, and if you visit, I hope you have the same experience I did. Thanks for watching.